Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this video, we'll take a look at AI ProfitLens. Now, essentially guys, this is a brand new cloud-based software that uses artificial intelligence that will let you turn any kind of text into an actual image or into digital art. Now, the technology that they are using, guys, inside of AI ProfitLens is the same technology with ChatGPT 3, OpenAI, LensaAI, and DALL-E, right? You can use software to, just like I said a while ago, to turn any kind of text into an image. You can use software to create digital art. You can even, upload your own image or any kind of image. It can be, stack images and convert that into cartoon images or avatar cartoon characters, right? So yeah, this is exactly AI ProfitLens is all about. Now, as you can see, I'm in the sales page right here. Now, before I'm gonna walk you through inside and show you the demo of this app, let me show you first my bonuses. If you decide to pick up AI ProfitLens through the link down in the description of this video. Now, you can actually use Midjourney, guys, to generate or to create digital art, and it's 100% free. But for those of you that still wanted to get AI ProfitLens, through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna throw in some extra bonuses right here. Right, so when you click that link below this video, which is the first link, will take you that my bonus page. It looks something like this, and when you scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, this is where you learn all of my bonuses right here. Alright, so my bonus one, I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite method on making $20 to $50 per day using two, not one, two free bot, right? And with this, without any kind of work, right? So you can, do this, guys, without even need to lift your finger. This is really powerful, and this is one of the fastest way that this is, in my opinion, this is one of the fastest way to make a legit, income right now online, right? So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can use AI to create digital product from scratch, right? I'm actually creating my own product using bot right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the back end, what is my process, and how you can copy and implement the method and start creating your own digital product and start selling that product and keep 100% of the profit, right? So that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create an affiliate blogging website using AI or using a bot, and this comes with free hosting for life, right? So if you wanted to make money with affiliate marketing, and you wanted to derive free traffic from your blog, then this is gonna help you out. And then next bonus is I'm gonna be showing you my fastest way. This is again another my favorite way of building an email list really fast using a free traffic method. And the best part about this method, guys, is that you can build an email list in different kind of niches. So let's say you're promoting weight loss offers, health and fitness. You can use this method to build an email list in different kind of niches for 100% free and really fast, right? So that is my bonus number four. My bonus number five, I'm gonna give you guys access to a method that will show you how you can make $100 per day using only your mobile phone. Alright, and then you also get access to all vendor bonuses, right? So those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you guys decide to pick up AI ProfitLens through the link down in the description of this video. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, will take you this to the sales page that looks something like this. The headline says brand new graphics robot lets you turn your words into sellable images in seconds. So the idea of this app is to generate images and sell that images as digital art and make money, right? So yeah, just like I said, you can upload images and convert the images into cartoon avatars. You can produce digital art. You can also use stack images and convert that stack images into, you know, digital art. All right. And the best part about this is there's no monthly payment with this. All right. So yeah, you can try it yourself. You can check it out in your own time. So these are the sample of the images that is generated using ProfitLens, right? So you can upload this kind of image and convert that into this kind of image or cartoon avatar like this. All right. So yeah, so I'm just gonna play a demo video, guys. And by the way, there are some upsells of this. You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here. Alright, so let me show you what are those upsells. Upsell number 1, and for the front end, this is only $17, and you can use this, you can abuse this without any kind of limitation. And then upsell number 1 is the pro version of this, which is $36, and you will get access into these features. Next upsell is the OT. Next upsell is done for you. Next upsell is the reseller. Next upsell is IMX. Alright guys, so those are all of the upsells. So I'm just gonna play a demo video, guys, that way you can see the power of this. And again, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your WordPress account after your purchase of AI ProfitLens. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.
Welcome to ProfitLens, an app that gives you access to an extremely powerful AI that can generate completely unique images for you. So let's play around with it. And as soon as I click the search button, it will start generating it, and bam. And we can see that it's completely unique. We can see it took its own style in doing it. We can see it put a little pool in the front here. And if we just want to do another one, we'll just click this here, and we'll get a completely new and unique image on the same text. And we can just do it again and again for as many times as we want, because ProfitLens gives you access to these images for an unlimited number of times. So you can create as many graphics as you want using ProfitLens AI. Let's try something different. Let's try stack of cash in football field. Try something more complex. You can see it generates exactly what we want in a unique manner, because this isn't actually a stack of cash, and the entire thing looks a bit off, which is brilliant because it was drawn by a real AI. Let's try something else. Let's do fireworks. Let's see how it represents fireworks. Awesome. You can see it's a simple image here, but it's completely unique. Let's check out the Tunify version of ProfitLens, which allows you to cartoon your own photo. Let's see how that looks. So I have this picture here that I took directly from the internet, and I'm just going to click Tunify, and done. We can see it generates a cartoon character. We can download the file and then use this for our social media. Like, so many celebrities now have their own cartoon avatars, or sell it as service to other people on Fiverr, Upwork, anywhere we want. And let's say, so we grabbed this image. We can then now go into edit your image here and start editing it. So I'm just going to download it. Now head to edit your image. And I'm just going to put on this one that we have just made. And now we can filter and edit it however we want. So if we want to make it a bit more vintage, if we want to add some Polaroid effect, we can add them on top of each other. We'll just leave it with vintage. I think this gives it a nice feel. Then we can draw, we can use shapes, stickers, frames, whatever we want to make sure we have this image exactly how we want it to be. So ProfitLens gives you access to two brilliant real AI that can generate unique content for you in a couple of seconds, and then gives you a way to edit these photos to make sure they're to your liking and to your style. Check out ProfitLens right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.